The history of elephants, the last giants on Earth. They are the largest land animals on Earth, intelligent, emotional, and ancient. For millions of years, elephants have walked this planet, shaping the landscapes they roam. This is the story of their past and their uncertain future. The story begins about 60 million years ago, right after the dinosaurs disappeared. The oldest known ancestor of modern elephants, Eritherium, was small and looked nothing like a modern elephant. Its fossil remains were discovered in Morocco. Then came Phosphatherium around 5 million years after which came the Numidotherium around 46 million years ago. This ancestor evolved in North Africa and resembled a young tapir with a short, drooping trunk and a height of about 90 centimeters, 35 inches. Then, around 35 million years ago, was the Moeritherium, a small, semi-aquatic, pig-sized animal that may have had a long upper lip instead of a trunk. Around the same time was the Palaeomastodon, a descendant of Moeritherium. This creature had tusks on both its upper and lower jaws. As Earth's climate changed, proboscideans spread far beyond Africa into Europe, Asia, and eventually North America. Some evolved into the woolly mammoths, perfectly adapted to the cold, covered in thick fur and equipped with curved tusks to sweep away snow. Others became mastodons, forest dwellers that browsed on leaves and twigs. At one point, over 160 different species of elephant-like creatures walked the earth. But then, about 10,000 years ago, most of them disappeared because of changing climate and human hunting. Only 3 species remain today: the African savanna elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. Each plays a vital role in its ecosystem. They knock down trees to create open grasslands, spread seeds through their dung, and dig for water in dry riverbeds, sharing their finds with countless other species. They are what scientists call ecosystem engineers. For thousands of years, elephants have been woven into human history. In ancient India and Southeast Asia, they were symbols of power and wisdom, even gods in some traditions. In Africa, they represented strength, memory, and kinship. But humans have also used them for war, labor, and display, often at great cost to the animals themselves. Today, elephants face their greatest challenge yet. Poaching for ivory has killed hundreds of thousands. Habitat loss and conflict with humans threaten many more. In just the past century, elephant populations have plummeted across Africa and Asia. But hope remains. From community conservation projects in Kenya to reforestation in Thailand and Anant Ambani's Vantara Elephant Sanctuary in India, people around the world are working to protect these giants before it's too late. Their story is not only one of survival, but of resilience, intelligence, and heart. Beyond their size and strength, elephants continue to amaze scientists with their intelligence. They mourn their dead, recognize themselves in mirrors, and even show empathy for one another. They're not just relics of a prehistoric past. They're living reminders of what it means to be connected to nature.